The only thing I would buy is those sterling silver crafts. They would sell $100. Yeah. Yes.
Hi. Thank you. And those are your pet dolls.
So, would you like to make some dolls? Yeah? Alright. Is it just you today?
Thank you. It's just me.
Okay. So you can take up to 3 dolls so it
Okay.
can represent you and any family members.
Okay.
Here's a paintbrush for you.
Thank you.
And then if you want to design and kind of sketch it out first, you can take a sheet and we have color pencils
Nice.
on the table. And then you can add hair to your dolls.
Look at that.
We have a hair station in the back where they'll hot glue the
Okay.
hair for you.
I don't need
Nice.
hair because I just use orange.
Do you use orange for your hair?
This
Yeah.
is good.
All right. Yeah. So choose your sizes, and you give her a paint.
The
They already
maximum
have it.
size, the maximum of people you can get is 3.
Nice. Thank you. And it's
Oh, and
hands-on.
then if you could sign in, please.
Sure.
Just the name and zip code.
Sure.
Would you like a Tic Tac?
Do you want some Cheetos?
No, I'm fine. I don't really like those types.
You
I
don't
like
like them?
puffy Cheetos.
Oh,
like
puffy
them.
Cheetos are good. But
Thank
I will take a
you.
Tic Tac. Thank you. Yeah, enjoy.
Thanks.
Just one. Here we go. Thank you. Oh, also, my name is Jen. Hi, Judy. I found the price
See? That's inserting the hair on the pet dolls after you've painted it. That's cool. Look at that. This is hands-on, guys, so bring your kids and have fun with this. Awesome. And this is at Contemporary Hand Weavers of Houston. So bring your kids, come and have some fun. Nice. See? What a good way to spend your Saturday with the kids. Keep them busy and creative. Let's explore this.